Wir scheißen auf Korrektheit, auf politische Korrektheit. Solange wir leben, scheißen wir darauf. Wir scheißen auf Korrektheit, auf politische Korrektheit. Drum lasst uns dir sagen, was solltest du auch? 'Die drängeln schon, es wird schon wieder spät. Doch läuft es wie gewohnt, dass man im Stau steht. Ich seh's schon vor mir stehen, das kühle blonde Bier. Doch ich kann's mir nicht nehmen, denn ich steh doch immer hier. Weihnachtszeit, Weihnachtszeit ist der Bock in die West. Alles zu und überfüllt, das sind wir den Rest. Weil Weihnachtszeit, Weihnachtszeit, ich kann es nicht verstehen. Jeder Mensch ist unterwegs, nur ich will's auch mitgehen.
45 more minutes. Stay like that. No complaints, or you go outside. Good boy. Stay. Check this out. Look at these. Thousands of these African cichlids. They look like bluegill. You know, that's what fools you if you're not like a fish expert like me. These are African cichlids. I've got these things trained to come to me like clockwork. I could probably pet some of these if I wanted to. But look at them all. There's thousands of them. That's wild. Whoa. Check this out. Winter cabbage. If it doesn't come up by January 2nd, you ain't gonna have anything. It's never gonna grow to its full potential. So this is coming up nice. This probably started in early December. Look how that's coming in though. That's real nice. Whoa. Yeah. A lot of people have been asking me about what are the procedures that we use here at Barrondorf Ranch as far as with transferring cattle from one pasture to the next. Everybody's got their own way of doing things, and there's traditional ways, there's unconventional ways, there's new technology. We try and meld basically all three into one. And what we do is we use Snyder's of Hanover jalapeno pretzel pieces. This seems to get the cattle into any pasture we want, and this isn't any type of endorsement or anything for Snyder's of Hanover. Pretzel pieces, jalapeno flavored. America's pretzel bakery since 1909. I'm not endorsing this in any way, but I'll tell you what, this is good eating. This is good eating, and it's great for pasture transfers of cattle. That's wild. Whoa! Going into late fall, early December, what you want to do in a pasture is you want to take out some of that tall growth, that pasture growth. Not saying to scalp it. I'm not telling you to scalp it. But here you can see what we did was we cut in crazy eighths. We did that about 6 weeks after Labor Day, which was smart. Because what happened was the grass still grew, you know? So we're gonna knock down this brown material. We don't want to give any cover for any animals. That way we'll all have clear shots. The steer ain't gonna eat it. We don't want to be drawing in pronghorn gazelle. Nothing of a sort. Don't want it. But yeah, that's looking good. Whoa! See, we got some nice burning in that dry creek bed. We're gonna get some nice erosion through here in the winter. That's nice. That's exactly what you want. This is standard operating procedure here at the ranch. When I get back, I always burn garbage in a 55-gallon drum with wet hay. That lets my neighbors know that I'm home. That's wild though. Look at that. Whoa! I don't know why everybody runs to the nearest lot and buys a Christmas tree from a private company. I mean, there's plenty of trees in national forests. You go in there with a sawzall, a cordless sawzall, get yourself a couple trees. You paid for it. It's your goddamn tree anyways. Might as well.